Hello everyone, this is Tiger from the English Learning Coach. So here we have something. When I was reading my article, I got to know like here we have something. It is gonna be helpful. Really, it is gonna be helpful for us a lot. Because whenever our time allows us to learn something, whenever our time allows us to boost our learning speed, so it is gonna be helpful. It is gonna be our obligatory also, I must say. 8 effective tips to sharpen your IQ and improve focus. जब हम लोगों को एग्जीक्यूट करने को होता है तो ये सब हमारा ऑब्लिगेशन हो जाता है. 8 effective tips to sharpen your IQ and improve focus. The very first is practice brain exercises. Engaging in puzzles, logic games and strategy based stimulates brain function, enhance problem solving skills and builds new neural connections that increase intelligence and focus over time. Read and learn something new. Reading book or learning new skills like a language or instrument activates different brain, strengthens comprehension, memory and expanding knowledge for higher intellectual performance. Stay physically active. Regular exercises boost oxygen flow in the brain, includes stress hormones and improves memory and cognitive clarity, making it easier to stay focused and mentally agile. Eat brain boosting foods. A balanced diet with omega-3s, antioxidant and vitamins nourishes brain cells, enhances neuron motor activity and supports sustained concentration throughout your daily tasks and learning efforts. Get quality sleep. Deep restful sleep consolidates memory, clear brain toxins and refreshes cognitive and it easier to concentrate and retain information effectively the next day. Meditate and practice mindfulness. Daily meditation helps declutter your mind, reduces anxiety and enhance focus by training your brain to stay present and resist distraction over extended period. Limit distraction and multitasking. Avoiding multitasking and using time management techniques like a Pomodoro method boosts efficiency, deepens focus and prevents mental fatigue by allowing your brain to operate at full capacity. Keep a curious mindset. A naturally curious mindset drives continuous learning, cognitive flexibility and openness to new experiences, all of which stimulate intelligence growth and sharper, more adaptable thinking. This was the thing I wanted to share with you all, and I